Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies on another episode of Diving In with Kent. And with me again is Tim McDonough from Radiant. Tim, thank you so much for being here.
Hi, Kent. Great to be here. Thank you very much.
Great to have you. Well, it's great. So you're saying that a homeowner would be able to install this by themselves?
Yes, absolutely. This product was originally what we call our round pool, okay? This was originally designed and developed for the Sears and Roebuck catalog back in the mid to late 70s. And it was in the catalog because they needed something that a consumer could build within a 2-hour period. So just a real quick show. In what we do is we have, in a 24-foot round, we have multiple panels. For example, 10 panels, and it's a structural panel. And we put it together with the splines versus like if you had an overlapping seam with 70 or 80 bolts that run up and down the wall. This is panel to panel. There's no bottom track or channel. That makes it extremely easy to build. It does have to be level, of course, as you level any pool, but it is a great and easy consumer build product.
That's amazing. That's a great product. Well, Tim, I and Easy Test Pools truly appreciate you taking the time to come talk with us. And here's to a great 2023 swimming season.
Yep. Thank you very much, Kent. Thank you for having me in again.
Thank you, Tim.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
So this has been another episode of Diving In with Kent. Join us next time. Thank you for watching.